Let's make a sun working model for solar system. Welcome at Tiyashascraftscape. Craftscape. To make the sun, we will need a piece of paper. I have taken a bright color paper. It's a bright orange. Give it a sun shape and cut it out. It's a tutorial video. I've also made a detailed video for solar system. Link is in the description box. Please check it out. Since it is a project, we cannot use any wired device. So this is the best option available. Now this arrangement, you can find it in a nearby electric shop. If you're finding difficult for the arrangement, you can always ask the shopkeeper to make it for you. Once it is cut, place it on the right. Now this piece of bulb, fortunately it was lying with me. Actually it was lying with me from a long time and I didn't know what to do with it. Finally I got a chance. If at all you don't have this, what you can do is you can use any fused bulb which is available at your house. You can remove the upper part of the bulb and you can use it like this. Attach the battery and switch on. Your sun is ready. Let's see how it looks together. Isn't it is beautiful? Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.